John, Kentucky Life coming at you again on a Tuesday. We've got the beer, the garage door opener, the Greg. It's going down.
What's up, Kentucky Life? Been a while, but it's Tuesday, so let's get crazy.
We got the beer chug challenge on the garage door. Greg's gonna hit the button for me.
All right, let's see what I can do here.
Let's do it.
All right, let's go. You ready?
Yep.
Here we go. Woo! Oh, not bad.
Not bad.
I think you actually got most of it.
I missed like one drop there in the beginning, but I was right on it after it.
Heck yeah, man.
All right. We're gonna get loaded up. Greg's turn next.
Oh, let's see what happens. If you guys are wondering, we're in Kentucky. We like the Miller Lite. That's what we're drinking. That's what we're doing this with.
Shout out to Wisconsin.
And Wisconsin. Nice. I guess it's a little Miller time here.
All right, we got Big Greg going for the can challenge on the door.
Let's do it.
You need a count there, bud?
Give her a go.
All right, we got 3, 2, 1. Oh, just down the chest.
Woo! Kentucky Live Tuesdays.
Oh, that's good one. Good one. Yep. All right, John Exotic here with the Tiger. Shout out to my boy Joe Exotic. We'll get you out, bud. This is take 2 on the can chug challenge. I'm still wearing my dirty pee pants right now. All right.
Dirty pee pants, boy.
Woo! Whatever you want.
All right, hold on. We're getting ready to go. You ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
3, 2, 1, go. Got it.
Oh, it's cold.
All right, here's my take 2 again. Same thing, got my pee pants on. So, yeah, it's for you, Joe Exotic.
All right.
All right, whenever you're ready, bud.
We got 3, 2, 1. Landed it.
Woo!
Landed. Take that, Carol.
Take that, Carol Waskins. I know you killed your husband. I know you fed those damn tigers.
Honk if you think Carol fed her husband to the tigers.